This is how I automated a hair salon's entire booking system and why they pay me $200 every single month for it. Stick to the end to see how you can do it too. So it starts when a customer books an appointment on the hair salon's website, and then we'll send out this confirmation SMS where we've said, hey, contact first name, thank you for booking at our salon. Your appointment is confirmed for this day at this time. See you soon. We then send an internal notification to the business owner where we'll say, this contact just booked an appointment. You have a new appointment with this contact scheduled for this day and this time. We then wait 24 hours before the appointment to send out a confirmation SMS asking whether the date and time still works for them. We'll then wait for the customer to reply. And this is the really cool part. We can actually use AI to determine the intent of the customer's reply. So if instead of replying with a yes or no, and they reply with a thumbs up or a smiley face, the system will actually pick up on this and act accordingly. So if they replied negatively, we'll send out a rescheduling SMS asking to book for another day. However, if they don't reply at all, we'll wait 5 hours and send another confirmation SMS. Whereas if they replied positively, we wait 1 hour after the appointment before sending this Google review SMS, where we'll say, hey, contact first name, it was great to see you earlier. We would really appreciate a review on Google for our service with the link. And then if you do leave a review, you will be eligible for a 20% discount off of your next appointment. As well as saving the client so much time to focus on what they do best, this will also boost their ranking on Google. So when people search for nail salons in the local area, they will show it first, increasing their revenue, and it will also increase customer loyalty as they're getting a discount for the next appointment. And this is just an example of one niche this automation can be used in. This is applicable to any business with a booking system, restaurants, law firms, dentists, the list goes on.